my Xbox decided it was going to stop playing. So I decided to take it apart and try to clean it out. Maybe that's why it wasn't playing. Well, this is my Xbox taken apart. Pretty dirty in there. Don't know if that's going to be the problem or not, but it couldn't hurt. I'm thinking it's right here, it's messed up, the disk drive. This thing was pretty filthy, and it's 7 years old of dust and crap. So hopefully this will work, cleaning it out. It's pretty simple taking apart. I looked on YouTube and found many ideas and just follow those. There was some hair and crap that was inside it. That's the vent. This is the inside of it. Pretty dirty.
Every time Georgia cuts it to single digits, you can just feel the anticipation or the anxiousness for the 24,000.
Dirty ports. Apparently it gets pretty hot in there because the coil burned onto the plate there. A little imprint. I think for 7 years, it don't look too bad. I just think I may have to buy a new disk drive. That's what's not working. It's not reading my disk. But I guess I'll find out once I clean this out what's going to happen.